Tank bags come in quite a few shapes and sizes, so how do you know which one is right for you? Well, we have made this episode of Gear Matters to help. Whether you're riding through city traffic to get to work or setting off on a cross-country adventure, tank bags are a great way to carry what you need in an accessible way. At ViaTerra, we believe in making differentiated products that offer purpose-built functionality for specific use cases, which is why we have a range of tank bags that suit the needs of different types of riders. The ViaTerra Ace tank bags are the new benchmark for versatility. The main compartment offers 6 liters of storage with plenty of organization available courtesy of a zippered mesh pocket on the lid, 2 zippered external side pockets and EBC storage on the lid. It also has an external stash pocket to store the rain cover, allowing for quick access to waterproofing without need to open the main compartment. The Ace is available in 2 variants. A strap-based universal version that can be used on any motorcycle and a magnetic version that works on bikes with metal tanks to offer the fastest and easiest mounting and removal. With its compact design and weight of just 600 grams, the Ace tank bags do what they need to do without getting in the way. It's just the right size to carry your rain gear and daily essentials while commuting, but can also be a capable touring companion when you need it, especially if you're someone who understands the value of keeping luggage minimalistic and light. Speaking of things that are minimalistic and light, another great daily ride companion is the Downtown tank bag. This sleek magnetic tank bag is made specifically to match the refined modern classic aesthetic, and its 3-liter capacity offers enough space to hold everyday essentials like wallet, keys, phones or sunglasses, with space to add your gloves when you're not riding. It's also easy to carry with its built-in Duraflex grab handle or worn over the shoulder as a sling bag. This is definitely the most stylish tank bag that we have made yet, and we are glad that we are able to do this without compromising on functionality. We know that compact tank bags are not everyone's cup of tea, and for those who like to keep more within reach, you have the ViaTerra Oxus and ViaTerra Viper Pro tank bags. The Oxus has been a ViaTerra staple now in its 3rd generation and a constant customer favorite. It's a great option for riders seeking an affordable, spacious and durable tank bag. With its 13-liter capacity, you can easily carry more than just essentials, be it power banks, first aid kits, extra warm gear or layers, and maybe even a small toolkit. It has 2 zippered side pockets for added organization and a transparent top pocket for maps or a phone, which also has a cable inlet so you can charge your device on the go. The Oxus is available in both magnetic and universal strap-based variants, and also includes a built-in grab handle and sling strap for easy off-the-bike use. The strap-based Oxus can be used as a tail bag if you should want to. The Viper Pro is a newer addition to our product line and a more premium offering. Its sleek shape-retaining design is well matched to sports touring motorcycles, and it delivers strongly on the attention to detail and functionality too. The unique X-strap-based mounting system makes the Viper Pro extremely easy to use. The minimalistic mounting harness looks good on most bikes and leaves the bag itself with a clean and premium look without any dangling straps and buckles. The 4-point mounting system is very quick and convenient, and if you pay attention, you will notice that the buckles towards the front of the bag are positioned on the sides of the bag to make them easier to release and reattach when fueling up. The Viper Pro has multiple storage pockets for organization and an overall capacity of 12 liters. If you're someone who appreciates the functional details in a product, you will find many things to like on the Viper Pro, including the internal transparent pocket for IDs and cards, the large zipper pullers that make it easy to use the bag while wearing bulky riding gloves, and the molly loops under the EBC net add an extra layer of modularity. At the other end of the spectrum lies the ViaTerra Fly tank bag, a product that has been taken places for over a decade by passionate travelers who prioritize large capacity storage over everything else. The Fly is available in 2 variants, a magnetic version with an impressive 18 liters of storage and the universal strap-based variant which offers up to a whopping 22 liters of storage when expanded. In terms of features, the Fly is quite similar to the Oxus, obviously at a larger scale, but it also has a few features that are specifically suited for this larger kind of bag. The Fly has built-in backpack straps, making it easier to carry off the bike, and can also be used as a spacious tail bag using its stock mounting straps. The Fly, along with the Oxus, are legends in their own right that have set and held the benchmark for made in India tank bags that deliver in terms of affordability, durability and functionality. This might be the right time to mention that carrying capacity should not be the sole reason based on which you choose a tank bag. You also need to think about what you're riding and how you intend to ride too. Smaller tank bags cause less interference to your comfort and control over a motorcycle. A large tank bag will limit body movement, especially when standing up and riding, and can also affect maneuvering, especially if overloaded or mounted incorrectly. As a general rule of thumb, we encourage riders to travel lighter and with more compact luggage overall, as this will help to unlock better performance from your motorcycle. That having been said, we also understand that these choices are deeply personal, which is why whether you're commuting through city traffic or heading off on a cross-country ride, ViaTerra has a tank bag that fits your needs and your motorcycle. Let us know in the comments which ViaTerra tank bag you use and why you picked it. We'd love to hear your story.